Hello YouTube, Chastek's back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a local security policy option missing in your Windows computer. So you want to fix some problems related with your local security policy, but you can find it when you try to search on your computer, which is when you type local security policy, which is here. In my case, it's here, local security policy, or else you can type Secpol.msc. Here in my case, I have the local security policy option in my computer. But if you are missing this option, then I have a solution on this video, so stay tuned until the end of the video. So what you should have to do is, here I have a file that would give you back your local security policy. So I'm going to put this file on the description box so you can find the file there. So download the file, and after you download it, if you find it under the compressed one, so right click on it and select extract the file. But if you find like this, you can double click on it and you can open. Then you will find here GP edit enabler. So after you find this, right click on it and select open. So it will start processing, or it will start opening the CMD. In my case, it's showing error 740 because I have the local security policy in my computer. But in your case, you will find run as administrator option, and when you run or when you open the compressed or the GP edit file, it will start counting, which is registering the local security policy on your computer. So wait until it will finish the counting process until 100. It will give you this option. Finally, press any key to continue. You will get this result at the end of the processing. Then press enter. Then it will close your CMD. Then restart your computer, which is restart your computer. Then after the restart, check by clicking under the search box, which is local security policy. I'm sure you can find it after you install this file. So this is the solution on how you can solve the missing local security policy on your computer. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just check out.